Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to completely uninstall Steam on Windows. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Just like others program on PC, you can uninstall Steam using the Settings app. But because Steam is a platform to launch other games, deleting it will also remove all the games you've installed. So, and that includes their data and configuration. If that is your plan, that's fine. You can create more storage space for new games or other application. And however, if you want to save the games and only delete the Steam application, you have to make sure that you've already uh, back up your data like your games on your Steam. After that, you can just uninstall it from settings. So you can go to settings. From here, you can go to apps, installed apps, and you can search for Steam. You can select all the three dots over here and you can uninstall. Or you can search on control panel. Select on programs, uninstall the programs. And from here, you can just search for Steam. You can uninstall Steam from here. Okay, this one. You can click right and select on uninstall. Select on yes. Select on uninstall. You can just wait until it finishes. It's very simple, right? And maybe anytime you want to install Steam on your PC or laptop, again, you can just watch my previous video I've made before about how to install Steam on your PC or laptop. You can just wait until it finishes. So now you have complete, you can just close it. So now you have uninstalled Steam from your PC. So very simple, right? So that is how to completely uninstall Steam on Windows. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.